When you search for the best power rack for your home gym, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what really stands out and what won't let you down, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Ultra FUEGO Power Cage. The Ultra FUEGO Power Cage caught my eye mainly due to its impressive build quality and a price tag of $255.61, which feels pretty reasonable for what you're getting. If you want a versatile cage that can handle just about any workout, this is worth a serious look. It offers incredible stability, with a weight capacity of 1,002 pounds, so you can lift heavy without worrying about tipping over. Plus, it comes with a pulley system that allows for various exercises like lat pull-downs and tricep extensions, which means you can target your whole body with one piece of equipment. The adjustable height options for the J-hooks and safety bars are a huge bonus, making it easier to personalize your exercises. Now, I did come across some reviews where users mentioned the assembly process could be a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, while it can take some time, once it's set up you'll see that it's built to last. For those who prefer a quick assembly, this might be a slight drawback. This is perfect for you if you're serious about your strength training and need a robust setup. Skip this one if you're just starting out and want something simpler. Overall, it's a fantastic value for a multifunctional power rack. Now, if the assembly concerns you, the next product takes a completely different approach with a focus on ease of setup. Product number 2, SBORTSROALS Power Rack. The SBORTSROALS Power Rack is another solid contender at $319.99. What stood out to me was its comprehensive accessory kit, which feels like a steal for its price. If you're looking for a power rack loaded with features, this one deserves your attention. This rack is designed with a heavy-duty steel frame supporting up to 1,200 pounds. It comes equipped with both upper and lower pulley systems for smooth movement, which is essential for performing a variety of exercises, from lat pull-downs to cable rows. The 14 adjustable height levels offer flexibility for different workouts, and the included dip bars and landmine attachment expand your exercise options significantly. With all the components included, you won't have to worry about additional purchases. However, some users found the weight storage options a bit limited, which can lead to a cluttered workout space. But I'll be real with you, if you keep your weights organized, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a complete training solution right out of the box. Skip this if you're looking for a more compact option. It's a great value considering all the features you get. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better if you're on a budget. Product number 3, CAP Barbell Power Rack. Next up is the CAP Barbell Power Rack, priced at just $119.99, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious fitness enthusiasts. If you're seeking a reliable rack without breaking the bank, then this one's definitely worth considering. This power rack is built from heavy-duty steel, capable of supporting up to 500 pounds, which is perfect for basic strength training. It includes J-cup catches and a built-in pull-up bar, which adds versatility for your workouts. The compact design means it won't take up too much space, making it a great fit for small home gyms. With over 4,500 positive reviews, it's clear that many users have found great value here. On the downside, some users noted that the assembly can be a bit more involved than expected. But honestly, once you get it set up, it's a sturdy option that holds up well. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, no-frills power rack for basic workouts. Skip this one if you're looking for advanced features or heavy-duty accessories. It's a great entry-level power rack for home use. Now, if you want something a bit more substantial, let's talk about the next product. Product number 4, FLYBIRD SR1 Squat Rack. The FLYBIRD SR1 Squat Rack is a unique option at $169.99, and what caught my attention was its compact design and high weight capacity. If you're tight on space but still want a quality rack, this could be your best bet. Constructed from commercial-grade steel, this squat rack supports an impressive 950 pounds. The 16.7-inch safety arms give you extra room for safe bailouts during lifts, which is crucial for anyone pushing their limits. Plus, it includes a pull-up bar enhancing its functionality without taking up extra space. However, some users mention that the width adjustment feature could be a bit finicky. Here's the thing though, it's not a huge deal if you're primarily using standard 6 or 7-foot barbells. This is perfect for you if you have limited space but still want a fully functional home gym setup. Skip this if you need a more traditional power cage. The quality and features make it a great investment for smaller spaces. Now, if you want something that can really handle the heavy lifting, let's see what the next option has to offer. Product number 5, C1V4 Power Cage. Lastly, we have the C1V4 Power Cage from Goimu, priced at $339.99. The first thing that impressed me was its massive weight capacity of 2,000 pounds. If you're serious about powerlifting, this is a must-see. The robust 2x2 alloy steel frame is designed to withstand intense workouts, making it a top choice for anyone who pushes heavy weights. The cage includes a comprehensive set of accessories, ensuring you can customize your workouts to target various muscle groups. The full cage design also provides added safety during lifts, so you can train with confidence. Plus, it only takes up about 17.88 square feet, which is pretty compact for such a sturdy unit. The only drawback I found was that some users reported it can be challenging to assemble solo. But honestly, if you have a buddy to help, it's not that big of a deal. This is perfect for you if you're serious about your strength training and need a durable, high-capacity rack. Skip this if you're just getting started and don't need all the features. It's well worth the investment for serious lifters. To wrap it up, we've seen some fantastic options today. The Ultra FUEGO offers versatility. The SPORTSROYALS provides a complete package. The CAP barbell is budget-friendly. The FLYBIRD is perfect for smaller spaces. And the C1V4 is built for serious lifters. Whatever your needs, one of these power racks will surely enhance your home gym experience.